I am Dr. Debaditya. I am appearing for the Farz Academy MRCP PACES training course. This is my second time that I am appearing. The first time was a very good experience with all the stations being organized very meticulously. This time I am appearing for the mock examination, and I look forward to learn more from the experts in the field so that my PACES exam goes well. I am happy with the amount of exposure to the patients that we are getting here. The guidance and the feedback is helping me a lot, and I am right now in a much better position than the last time with all the feedbacks that I have got in the first course. And from the second course, I intend to be perfecting myself more for the upcoming examination, and I wish all my fellow colleagues all the best for the exam as well. Thank you Farz Academy for conducting such a wonderful workshop for the PACES.